Stop painting every surface grey. Zillow data from the last 30 days shows a huge 179% spike in buyers searching for color drenching instead of white walls. If you are flipping a house currently, the old formula is effectively dead. We are 27 days into 2026, and the real estate market has officially turned a corner. For the last 5 years, you could slap luxury vinyl plank flooring and grey paint into any property and sell it over asking price. But that era is finished. Reports from January show that inventory sits longer when it looks like a generic flip. Buyers in 2026 are rejecting the sterile, hospital chic aesthetic that dominated the early 2020s. They want warmth and personality, and they are willing to pay a premium for it. The data shows that homes leaning into specific, warm design choices are closing faster, while the grey boxes see price cuts. This involves math as much as taste. To get the highest return this spring, you must understand exactly what the 2026 buyer wants, which is the complete opposite of what worked in 2024. The biggest headline in design this month is the death of cool grey. Sherwin-Williams just named Universal Khaki their 2026 color of the year, signaling a major shift towards sandy, earthy neutrals. This is not the yellow beige from the 90s, but rather warm minimalism. Buyers walk into rooms and instantly judge the temperature of the space. If it feels cold or stark, they walk out. The trend taking over listings is color drenching, where you paint the walls, trim, and even the ceiling in the same warm, moody hue. This makes small rooms feel expensive and custom. Benjamin Moore's 2026 pick, Silhouette, proves this demand for drama with its deep, burnt umber tones. Put down the agreeable grey bucket. Painting a room in rich taupe or warm clay tells a buyer that this home is current, cared for, and worth top dollar. For a decade, the first thing a flipper did was knock down every wall on the main floor. But in 2026, that is a mistake. The open-concept warehouse look is losing its appeal, as buyers now crave defined zones. They want to know where the living room ends and the kitchen begins. The buzzword in high-end listings right now is the scullery, or back kitchen. People are tired of their messy dishes being on display for the entire house to see. Even in smaller flips, creating a visual separation, like a cased opening or a glass partition, adds value. It suggests privacy and functionality. Regarding materials, the bleached white oak look is fading. Richer, darker woods like walnut are polling higher with buyers who associate them with luxury and permanence. They do not want a house that feels like a temporary showroom, but rather a home that feels solid. We have 3 more major trends to cover, including the bathroom feature that boosts sale prices by double digits. If you want to stay ahead of the market curve this year, hit that subscribe button. We track these numbers daily, so you do not have to guess. Let's examine why your bathroom renovation might be missing the mark. The real profit lies here. According to the latest 2026 trend reports, mentions of wellness features in listing descriptions have jumped by 33%. A standard tub and shower combo is no longer enough to impress a buyer, as they look for spa-inspired elements. In higher-end flips, cold plunges and infrared saunas are becoming standard expectations rather than unusual extras. Even for a mid-range renovation, the focus needs to shift to sensory design. Consider steam showers, heated floors, and amber-colored tiles that create a mood. The old trend of high-contrast black and white bathrooms is out, as it feels too harsh for a space meant for relaxation. Buyers want organic textures and calming, earthy palettes. If you make the primary bathroom feel like a retreat rather than a utility closet, you add instant perceived value to the entire property. Staging strategies have evolved, and the days of renting single fake plant on a table are gone. The trend for 2026 is called meaningful maximalism, or the quirk quotient. Buyers look for homes that feel collected and authentic rather than mass-produced. Integrating vintage elements is a strong selling point. A restored vintage light fixture or an antique fireplace mantle can sell a house faster than brand new builder-grade materials because it signals character. This connects to the thrifting movement, which has evolved from a budget hack to a status symbol. Do not rip out every original detail to replace it with drywall. If there is unique molding or an interesting built-in, keep and restore it. That uniqueness separates your listing from the 5 other cookie-cutter houses on the block. Technology requires a new approach. For a while, smart home meant gluing an iPad to the wall and having complex control panels, but that is dated. In 2026, buyers want invisible tech, meaning they want the benefits of a smart home without seeing the gadgets. There is demand for smart leak detectors, energy monitors, and AI-driven climate control that works in the background. It is about utility, not flash. Tech that helps the house run efficiently, like solar shingles or integrated battery systems, is a big plus, but only if it does not complex the user experience. If a buyer feels like they need a computer science degree to turn on the lights, you have failed. The goal is smooth integration, where the house just works. Smart features should be a silent selling point that offers peace of mind, not a flashy toy that will break in 2 years. This shift directly impacts your bottom line. It means the safe choice is now the risky choice. If you flip a house today using the playbook from 2023, you are effectively selling a dated product. The market in 2026 rewards specificity, warmth, character, and wellness. Buyers are smarter, more informed, and tired of the grey flip. You might need to spend a little more time on design and a little less time on autopilot, but the financial result is worth it. Homes that nail these 2026 trends are not just selling, they are setting the new comparable prices for their neighborhoods. The window to be an early adopter of this warm shift is open right now, but it will not stay open forever. By summer, everyone will be catching on. The grey era is officially behind us, and the age of warmth and wellness is here to stay. Adapting your strategy now ensures success. Hit subscribe for more real-time market updates like this, and I will see you in the next video.